Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. I love you guys. I just gotta start it off like that because you guys are fucking the best. But alright, giveaway time. Check it out. So as I said in my, I don't know if it was probably like 2 videos ago, when I changed my front bumper, I changed it to the fiberglass one, and I was like, hey, let me know if you guys want this as a giveaway or not, you know? I want to give the front bumper to somebody who has been like pretty much following me from like day one, you could say, you know? I don't want to give it to just anybody, you know, because I want it to like mean something to the person that I'm giving it to. But I want somebody to have like yo, this is pretty dope, you know? Like I got Bandit Evo's front bumper and shit. I wanted to pretty much say like, yo, what can I do that nobody else has done? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna ask you guys 5 questions, alright? And whoever comes, like, whoever DMs me, whoever comments the answers, the correct answers to these 5 questions, I'll give you guys the bumper. After that, we'll get in contact, get the info and everything, and I'll send it out to you, or we'll meet up if you're in Florida. So, basically, that's how it's gonna go, and I hope you guys are cool with that, because you know, that's like the only method that I came up with, but fuck it, whatever. Alright, to start off, let me get my handy dandy notebook. Alright, Blue's Clues style and shit. Okay, question number 1. When did I visit Tokyo, and what tall building did I go see? Alright, I have all these answers in my videos, in like my first videos or whatever. You could figure out when I visited Tokyo in you know, the description of the video, and it'll be the same video as when I saw that tall building. So yeah. The second question, what's the year of my engine? This one, not really sure if I said it in a video or not. But if I didn't, then that was my bad. Alright, I don't know if I said it. If I did say it, then I said it. If not, you probably have to, fuck. Alright, well, if that question doesn't go right, then what kind of engine do I have? Alright, let's just go with that. What wheels, third question. What wheels did I have before my T37s? Let me know. What wheels came on the car before I put these on? They're not that really hard. Like, that's not really hard to guess or whatever, because I've made videos with the other wheels. So let me know. The 4th question. What's the name of my buddy I went to Tokyo with? That's gonna be a good like research find for you guys. You guys go back in my videos when I did go to Tokyo, and it was one of my buddies that I actually saw him yesterday after not seeing him for like 2 years. We kind of went our separate ways. He moved out of San Diego before I did, and that's pretty interesting, like our different lifestyles now. But we saw each other yesterday, and we had a good time, you know, like pretty much reminiscing and everything on like the first videos and just hanging out. But what was his name? Let me know. He is one of my best friends, so you guys, you know, it means a lot to me if you guys would know that. That'd be dope, you know. The last question, all right? What branch of the military did I serve in? I know I've said that a couple times. I was in the military and everything, but what branch did I serve in? I was in San Diego. In San Diego, there's mainly only 2 branches that, you know, are there, so let me know. First person that comments with the correct answers for these, we're gonna get in touch, and I'm gonna give you the front bumper, alright? It'll be pretty interesting to see your guys' answers, and I can't wait to meet or send out the front bumper to whoever gets those answers correct, alright? So, yeah. Let me know, guys. Let me know. Alright? So, I'll see you guys in a little bit in the next video, which is going to be in this same fucking parking lot. I'll see you guys next time. Deuces. One love.